Now recently, a forest home guard got killed in a rhino attack in the Kaziranga National Park. So we will be covering the prelim pointers with respect to Kaziranga National Park. Now when you talk about this particular national park, it is located between Brahmaputra river and the Karbi Mikhir hills, which is situated in Assam. And here you can see, here you have Kaziranga National Park, here you have Orang, here you have Manas. It was established in 1905 and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was declared as a World Heritage Site in 1985. It was declared as a Tiger Reserve in 2006. And when you talk about the rivers which move through this particular national park, so you have river Diphlu, which is basically a tributary of Brahmaputra, which flows through the national park core and critical tiger habitat region. And you have another tributary of Brahmaputra, that is Mora Diphlu, which forms the southern boundary of this particular national park. This lies in the eastern Himalayas biodiversity hotspot. Then it has 4 vegetation types: alluvial grasslands, savanna woodlands, moist deciduous and semi-evergreen forest. And some of the notable flora species are elephant apple, cotton tree, Indian gooseberry, etc. And one important element when it comes to this particular national park is it has the world's largest population of Indian one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, it has more than 2000 plus Indian one-horned rhinoceros. And along with that, it has Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo, swamp deer, and these 5 species collectively they are called Big Five of Kaziranga. Other fauna species are fishing cat, small Indian civets, sloth bear, Chinese pangolin, Indian pangolin, etc. So that's